Stop! I'm working on a project. So he just flies away, looking for the next man to marry. All right, no, but what I want to do today, bro, my camera. So I want to do something unique today. So basically, what I want to do is I want to take something. Go away! You're like a fly. My house right now is literally infested with flies right now, and this just reminds me of that. Stop! All right. So I need to build my own store, and you will see why the store is the way it is. You might be able to tell from whatever I decided to title this video. I'm admin too. How'd you get tool? Yeah, how'd you get different colored hair? Roasted, roasted, brown and blonde. Queen. Nope, I already roasted you. All right, can you help a sister out? No, Jack Peter, I can't help a sister out. Look, I got people trying this out now. It's not gonna work. The admin you bought here will not work. Go! I'm kicking you out, dude. I feel ruthless. Get out of me, please, sis, please. Oh, I'm literally freaking out. Get out! I'm literally trying to do something. You're wasting my time. All right, so okay, so I gotta make a little establishment real quick. One right here in the middle of just. What? Literally, what could you possibly want? Go. I don't know if you guys could hear that. Maybe Adam can boost the audio, like from the camera or something, but something. Really loud and heavy just hit my house. Give me 1 second to see what that was. All right, no, literally no idea what that was. Stupid, go! Die! Stupid, die, you. So, no, if you think that's a hint at what I'm doing, I have done dead dog store before. I have opened up a dead dog store with admin commands. That's not what I'm doing. It does involve that.